Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to a layout share or a show and tell for the Scrap Room. I am playing with Flavors of the Month kit this month again, and this is one portion of it. If you've never checked it out, I highly suggest you go check it out. Links are below. You get 4 different basically mini collections in the kit, and so this is just a quarter of that. So this is one of the mini collections. This is Crate Paper Gingham Gardens, and it is so gorgeous. Or is it just called Gingham? Is it called Gingham or Gingham Garden? What's the other one say? Yeah, Gingham Garden, actually. All right, so everybody's going to get 2 pieces of cardstock. We're going to get this beautiful fig swirl. I love this cardstock because it's like a gray-white. It's so pretty. 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper, and everyone's going to get the same. So you're going to get this one, this gorgeous paper. Where does it say the names again on here? Oh, in the shade. Haha, found it. So this one's in the shade with the stripes. This one's called All Alight. So it's all these beautiful butterflies, and I'm already getting ideas for what I want to do. And then this one, last but not least, beautiful wood grain, is called Timeless. So I am creating a recipe this month. So if you're a subscriber, you get a recipe to each of the Flavors of the Month collections that basically gives you instructions on how to put a page together. So I'm going to be creating a recipe for this page. So unfortunately, I will not show you a process at all, but you'll get to just see the finished look, show and tell of how I played with the collection. But then everybody's going to get the cardstock and those papers, and then everyone's going to get some embellishments, and these are going to vary per kit. So yours might not be the same as mine. Everyone's going to get 1 sticker sheet from this the Crate Paper sticker book that comes with this collection, and I got these beautiful gold paisley, and they're like clear stickers. Oh, I can't wait to play with those. And then you're going to get a 1/4 pack of foam thickers, and that's going to vary as well. So I got a bunch of goods things, some gold things, some stars, a little XXO, love you most, love this. So I cannot wait to dig in. So you'll get to see some close-ups here shortly of what I created, but make sure you go check out the Facebook group and check out the challenges this month, see what everybody else is doing with this kit. They'll share around. There's lots of fun challenges, and make sure you go check out the Scrap Room store and grab yourself this kit if it's still available. We'll see you next time.